Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your one-stop destination for all the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the auto world. Today, we're taking a closer look at Honda's highly anticipated release for 2025, the all-new Honda CBF. A bike that blends performance, style, and reliability like never before. Is this the perfect ride for you? Let's dive right in. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda CBF has been completely revamped, offering a sharper and sportier look. Check out these sleek LED headlights with DRLs, giving it an aggressive yet modern feel. The aerodynamic bodywork enhances its street fighter stance, making it perfect for urban commutes and weekend rides. Close-up of the alloy wheels, sharp tail section, and digital instrument cluster. The CBF also comes with a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, fuel levels, and even Bluetooth connectivity. Honda has definitely focused on combining aesthetics with functionality this year. Under the hood, or rather, under the fuel tank, the 2025 Honda CBF features a refined 349cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers 32 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth shifts and solid performance. Cut to shots of the bike accelerating and cornering. Honda has tuned this engine for a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city rides and highway cruising. Plus, with Honda's PGM-Fi technology, you get improved throttle response and cleaner emissions. The 2025 Honda CBF doesn't just look good and perform well, it's also loaded with features. You get dual-channel ABS for better safety, a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, and a traction control system to keep the wheels planted on slippery surfaces. Close-ups of the controls, handlebars, and USB charging port. And yes, Honda has added a USB charging port for all you tech-savvy riders. Perfect for charging your devices on the go. Comfort-wise, Honda has nailed it once again. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, thanks to the wide handlebars and well-padded seat. The seat height is a comfortable 800 mm, suitable for riders of various heights. Whether you're commuting or going for long rides, the 2025 CBF ensures a fatigue-free experience. Show suspension in action over speed bumps and uneven roads. With telescopic forks up front and a mono-shock setup at the rear, the bike offers excellent ride quality even on bumpy roads. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency, an area where Honda shines. The CBF offers an impressive mileage of around 35 to 40 km/h, thanks to its efficient engine and lightweight chassis. Combine that with a 15-liter fuel tank, and you've got enough range for those long weekend getaways. The 2025 Honda CBF is available in two variants, the Standard and the Deluxe. The Standard variant is priced at 2.10 lakh rupees, while the Deluxe variant, which gets additional features like premium paint options and an adjustable windscreen, comes in at 2.25 lakh rupees ex-showroom. When compared to its rivals like the KTM Duke 390 and Yamaha MT-03, the Honda CBF holds its ground with its refined engine, build quality, and reliability. While the KTM offers more aggressive performance and the Yamaha excels in its sporty nature, the Honda CBF strikes the perfect balance for riders who want versatility. To wrap it up, the 2025 Honda CBF is an excellent choice for riders looking for a stylish, feature-packed, and reliable bike. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or a first-time big bike owner, the CBF has something for everyone. What do you think of the 2025 Honda CBF? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more such reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.